Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a princess, a flower fairy princess. Let's color its hair, dark brown color. I am coloring its pony. Let's color its flower, dark purple color. She is holding a flower and in her dress. Let's color its dress flower.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Green color. I am coloring a leaf. Green color. Let's color the flower leaf. Light green color. I love its flower dress very much. Let's color in flower. Dark purple color. Brown color. Let's color its stalk. Light blue color. Let's color its wing. Let's color the other side. Ocean blue color. Let's complete the wings. Light pink color. It's time to color its dress. I am coloring its chest. Let's color the frock.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I love this flower fairy. Let's color the pattern of her dress. Dark purple color. I like its dress very much. Let's color its shoes and its lips. Skin color. I am coloring its cute face. Then I am coloring its neck and its hand and its leg. Let's color its eyes. Dark green color.
Subscribe us for more videos.